The real truth about mixing Vaseline with lemon. Mixing Vaseline with lemon for glowing skin. It's everywhere on social media right now. Thousands of women are swearing by this 2-ingredient miracle that supposedly gives you porcelain skin without expensive creams. The beauty gurus make it sound like the fountain of youth sitting in your kitchen cabinet. But what if everything you've been told about this viral hack is dangerously wrong? If you're a woman over 40, you've probably seen this trend promising to erase years from your face with just petroleum jelly and citrus. The question burning in your mind right now is probably the same one I had. Does this actually work, or are we falling for another beauty myth that could damage our skin? What I discovered when I dug deep into the research will shock you. Let me paint you the picture that's been sold to millions of women. You take a dollop of Vaseline, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, mix it up, and apply it to your face. Influencers claim it brightens dark spots, locks in moisture, and gives you that coveted glow. The promise hits every pain point we have as mature women. Effective skincare that doesn't break the bank. But here's where things get complicated. While thousands of women are mixing these ingredients right now, dermatology articles are raising serious red flags about what this combination might actually be doing to your skin. According to articles from Healthline, Vaseline works as an occlusive agent, a protective barrier that locks moisture into your skin. For dry areas like elbows and knees, this can be effective. Lemon juice operates differently. Articles examining citric acids reveal that lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, which can theoretically brighten skin by inhibiting melanin production. On paper, this sounds perfect. One ingredient hydrates while the other brightens. But articles from Moon & Skin reveal a troubling truth. When you trap lemon juice against your skin with Vaseline's barrier, you're not enhancing benefits, you're potentially magnifying risks. The vitamin C in fresh lemon is extremely unstable. Unlike stabilized vitamin C in professional products, lemon compounds break down rapidly when exposed to air and light. By the time you're applying your mixture, much of the beneficial vitamin C has already degraded. The hidden dangers. Here's what influencers aren't telling you about lemon's pH level. Fresh lemon juice registers at about 2 to 3 on the pH scale. Your skin's natural pH is around 4.5 to 5.5. Articles from Healthline explain that applying something this acidic disrupts your skin's protective acid mantle. For women over 40, this is particularly dangerous. Our skin is already more sensitive with age. When you apply highly acidic lemon juice, you're chemically burning your skin's surface. The Vaseline doesn't protect you. It traps the acid against your skin for longer periods. Photosensitivity crisis. The most dangerous aspect involves what happens when you step outside after using lemon on your skin. Articles examining citrus-induced reactions reveal that lemon juice makes your skin extremely photosensitive. This means even minimal sun exposure can cause severe burns, permanent dark spots, or phytophotodermatitis. The cruel irony is that many women use this mixture to address dark spots, but without proper protection, they're creating exactly the problems they're trying to solve, sometimes permanently: the moisture trap. Articles analyzing petroleum jelly reveal another issue for mature skin. While Vaseline can lock in existing moisture, it doesn't add hydration. If your skin's already dehydrated, common after 40, sealing it with petroleum jelly just locks in that dry state. This creates what professionals call the moisture trap. Your skin feels smooth because of the barrier, but underneath, it's not getting the deep hydration it needs. Over time, this actually makes dryness worse once you stop the treatment. The real science. Here's where everything I thought I knew about this trend completely unraveled. Articles examining these ingredients reveal that Vaseline and lemon don't work together. They actually interfere with each other's potential benefits. The petroleum barrier prevents vitamin C from properly absorbing into your skin. Meanwhile, lemon's high acidity can break down petroleum jelly's protective properties, creating an unstable mixture that's neither moisturizing nor brightening. Research from Moon & Skin comparing DIY approaches to clinical treatments shows women who use dermatologist-recommended vitamin C serums, kojic acid, or niacinamide saw measurable improvements. Those using Vaseline lemon showed minimal improvement at best and skin damage at worst. Final resolution and professional alternatives. After investigating articles from dermatology sources, the verdict is clear. This trend is built on misunderstood science and dangerous oversimplification. For women over 40 seeking brighter, hydrated skin, articles recommend clinically proven ingredients. Vitamin C serums use stabilized forms that actually penetrate your skin. Kojic acid and niacinamide offer gentle brightening without photosensitivity risks. According to professional sources from Moon & Skin, effective routines involve properly formulated products, gentle cleanser, treatment with active ingredients, moisturizer with humectants and occlusives, and daily sun protection. If budget concerns you, look for affordable drugstore versions of these professional ingredients rather than risking DIY experiments. Many effective products cost under $20 and provide safe, scientifically validated results. Personal perspective and reality check. This trend frustrates me because it preys on our desire for simple solutions to complex aging concerns. There are no magical 2-ingredient fixes for mature skin. Effective skincare requires understanding your skin's changing needs and responding with appropriate science-backed solutions. The women promoting this trend online often have professional lighting, filters, and good genetics. They're not showing any potential damage or recovery time when things go wrong. Real user experiences paint a very different picture than glowing social media testimonials. The real truth about mixing Vaseline with lemon is that it's a risky experiment masquerading as skincare wisdom. While both ingredients have their place when used correctly and separately, combining them creates more problems than solutions, especially for mature skin needing gentle, effective care. If this evidence-based breakdown helped you make smarter skincare choices, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that cuts through beauty industry myths. Drop a comment below. Have you tried this trend? Or were you tempted to? What other viral beauty hacks would you like me to investigate? Your skin deserves information that helps rather than harms. I'll see you next time when we tackle another trending treatment that might be doing more damage than good.